Over the holidays, I bought myself a Steam Deck. I got the 1 terabyte OLED Steam Deck and I am loving it. This video, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. I'm going to boot it up and I'm going to walk you around the little bit that I know about it. It comes with a wall wart that has the USB-C connection. Case is really hard. Feels like it'd be a lot of protection. Velcro. Here, you've got a little pouch right here with a sock. Here is the Steam Deck OLED. This is the newest Steam Deck. It's the 1 terabyte with the matte screen. Let's see if it boots up. If it's got any juice. Okay, I have to charge it back. Okay, let's see. It's on here. It's taking a little while to boot. Okay. Let's see, we're central. Okay, and I'll come back after everything's all installed, the updates, and everything's ready. Here is my Steam OLED. The controllers on it are really nice. You can feel a big difference between this and the Switch. These are more heavy duty, and you've got your mouse here, and all of this is configurable. You can change anything you want and make it anything that you want. You have your menu buttons. You got your quick settings right there. Brightness, audio, you can move around. It's touch. You can do the touch as well. You've got a keyboard. Let's see, and then your Steam button right here brings up the main menu. You can set things in the game, game details, all kinds of things, controller settings. Now, I will tell you that setting up an external controller for this is a little bit on the trying side. I'll do a video on that if there's any need for that information from you guys. Your controller settings, you can edit layouts. I mean, this is customizable to the nth degree, depending on the game. On Stardew Valley, you only have so many controls, but you can see here, and if I wanted to exit the game and go into the Steam Deck portion, go home. Here's your home screen. You've always got special offers, deals. You can control everything here. Your media. You can record your screen. You can use your buttons, your trackpads, your joysticks, or your left, right, up, down to navigate. And you also have the controllers on the back. These are really nice. And again, compared to the Switch, these are really sturdy. They're real heavy duty. And then on the back, you also have the programmable right 4 and 5, left 4 and 5. And these are a little harder to press. It's all doable, and I love this thing. I really like it. The screen is amazing. You'll never see the beauty of this screen until you get it. And I do have the non-reflective surface on it. I love this thing. The sound is great. And when you hold it, it's perfect for your hands, you know, for your actions and everything, and your keyboard and stuff back there. It's really, really nice. and especially compared to the Switch, which is where I'm coming from. You can also do a desktop version of this. Let's see if I can get out of here. And to do that, you just press Steam, Power, and switch to desktop. Really is like Windows. It's a Linux. It's really similar to Windows. Let's see, get that in there so you can see it. And it's all touch, so you can touch everything, your games, if you want to see what you've got going on in there, graphics. You can do internet. They've got Firefox that you can install. My understanding is you can install PC games. I haven't tried that yet. You've got your system settings here, settings there, system settings, and you can see all of the options. This is essentially a handheld computer. My thoughts after having this for 2 months, I love this. We've had a Wii, the Xbox, the PlayStation 5, the Nintendo Switch. I like the Xbox games, which is why I decided to go with this. The games that you have on here, they're unlimited, only by your imagination. I buy my games through Steam. I don't go outside of Steam to buy anything. I haven't explored that yet. I can wholeheartedly recommend this to anyone looking to get into gaming and wanting to try something from all genres. This is really nice. A lot of the Xbox games I find on Steam as well as PS5. Nintendo, Animal Crossings, things like that, I haven't found for this. You just kind of have to check it out for yourself and see. So yeah, I really recommend this. I'm having a great time with this, and I'm very happy that I splurged and purchased this. That's what I have today. If you want to know anything about this, it's not too technical because I haven't really messed with it that much. Go ahead and leave comments in the description. Also in the description, I'll have a link to Steam. This is a steamdeck.com, I believe, but I'll go ahead and have that in the description for you, and you can go ahead and check these out. These are great machines. I'm using like maybe 1/10 of its ability for even gaming. Look into it and see what you think, and check it out. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.